understand that the application is not really as complicated as you think. You're really looking for the pillars of the loan. That's income, credit, capacity, and declarations, basically. Any bankruptcies, foreclosures, things like that. You quickly summarize it. What I mean by summarize it is you're not going through the 1003 in order. You're not saying what's the name of your employer, what's their address, what's your position. Does that make sense? You're just filling out, okay, what's your W-2? What's your gross? Is there a bonus? Things like that. You want to vet out. You want to iron out. And then what happens is then you can technically complete a short application, but before you can turn that application to a pre-qual, you need documentation. Does that make sense? So now through the conversation, whether they even do the application themselves online or you do it over the phone, still in the conversation, you're dropping notes, right? Or questions and planting seeds. Like, hey, your payroll, do you have online access to payroll? What do you think they're gonna say? Yeah, I got ADP, I got Paychex. Okay, cool. So there's where you can actually pull up your W-2 or your current pay stub. Does that make sense? Yeah. And so you're giving them out unless you need tax returns and government, depending on your guidelines, right? But you're making it very easy to pull it up. And you're asking questions like, the down payment, is it a gift? Or do you have the money available, right? And then you're just making quick note. But you're quickly getting the application done and moving them down the line for the pre-approval, right? Now, the leak, I believe, is because you're leaving it on them without incentive. So it's very much like pitching a deal and saying, okay, well, go ahead and think about it and let me know when you're ready to go, without first addressing the fear of it, the rising market, the volatile market. Even using my strategy I always use all the time, like, hey, you're in luck. We got a campaign that's going on in this area that you're looking to buy a home, but it expires at the end of this month. The only way I can actually fit you in this campaign is I need to make sure you qualify first. And it's a win-win because even if in the event I can't fit you in the campaign, I could still get you pre-qualification. But here's the upside. If I can fit you in this campaign, here's what it looks like. And now you're just spitting out the natural pricing that you usually give. Does that make sense? But you're giving it more value.
Connected to SalesRemastered.